Hello again, my friends. We have something to fix today from the same series like fixing things for friends for free, or free fixing for friends, better said. Here we have a Super Nintendo Entertainment System SNSP 001 made in Japan. That's an original device which came for a port problem. The output is gone. So what we have to do is to try to restore the output port. That's amazing. You know, I never ever open this kind of device. We have some screws in there. Now let's take a look really close about what kind of screw is that. It's like a reverse star. Anyway, I'm happy that somehow I managed. No. If you feel that the screw doesn't want to open it up, just try to turn it on first until it breaks the momentum. Now it should open, and it's opening. Alright, the machine is looking very nice. A lot of hardware, I may say. I can take this board out only to open up everything. I can see by the metal parts, they are really strong. Or maybe no, this one keeps everything down there. We have a spring that needs to be unloaded first, like that. Now all this ensemble should go out. Of course, this one should go out too. The ribbon. Okay, that's the connector for the card, and the whole board should go out. Okay, we have some more screws. A lot of metal all around. You can't find anything like this nowadays. Are you kidding? Okay, we can just get rid of the power switch. Now let's see how can I get to that RF block, because this console doesn't have an audio video out dedicated, so everything goes through an RF modulator and will act like a TV broadcasting something, like a channel on a classic TV. There we go. The plastic should go out. We have a rectifier there, so that means that we need to supply 9 volts AC 9 volts. The power port is kind of integrated with that plastic cover, so it needs to be unsoldered. What can I say? Even the soldering, it's much better than what we got today. Oh, this is so amazing. You saw how easy it went out in an instant. Can I take these ones? Of course I can. Nice and easy, and it's out. Amazing stuff. What can I do here? So that's an RF modulator, and that's the output signal or fit. And now it's clean. Probably I need an input. Let me think about. You see, that's a board, you know, from a TV or something. I think it's a TV. So usually the antenna goes like this into the TV. So we need this kind of connector fodder. So all I need now is to take this out and to put it back over there. Let's see if I can manage that. Oh yeah, that's a TV, a Philips something, and that is the tuner, RF tuner. I don't have anything else, so we should try to use. Okay, let's cut this down. Brute force. This is done. Easy. So it's very clear. This piece is soldered in here. Yes. The middle pin, it's free. All I have to do now is to dig around these guys here. Try to evidently open. Yes. Amazing. I did it. I didn't expect for this to go so easy. Oh, I can't believe it. That should be a kind of standard. I even have the notch here. You see, there is a notch up here, and that should fit the one I have it. Oh yeah, kind of. Okay. Let's see now. Doesn't fit in here. Okay. Yeah. Looking good. Absolutely, yes. Yes, it's in place. And almost perfect. That's the best I can do. Perfect. Flux. And soldier. I can use this just for hitting the place. And to be sure, I will also have a little bit in here to keep the things from inside out. Perfecto. What do you think? Look at this guy. This is strong enough, more than enough. Now I have to center. Here I'm gonna have a kind of hook to get back on the middle like that, and we can put some soldier in there. Very good. Perfect, I may say. And of course we are done. You see, now the story is this machine gonna work? We should have this first back in place, and here we need to clean the terminals, or the holes in fact. What? Come on. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I need to make that bigger. Yeah, perfect. But before that, let me see what we got here. MC7805. Okay, so this is a 5-volt regulator. So if they are asking for 9 volts, they will have 9 volts at the output. Okay, let's put it back in the case. Oh no, I should have those. I knew that. Everything is wrong here. Perfect. Okay people, so the port is back in place. Nothing to do but to find or to try to find a 9-volt adapter for this guy. Okay, let me look into my stuffs to see if I can get one. Okay, so I found a transformer, 9 volts AC to 300 milliamps. Obviously it's too small for this machine. We're supposed to have like 1.3 amps, so 4 times more than that, but at least I can give a try to see if it's working. The point is that I can plug it in. You see, it's this kind of plug. It's not getting into the extension, so we have to do a kind of trick again and again and again and again. Improvisation, the mother of creation. 12.8, yeah, but this is without any consumer. Oh, we have around 1 amp. Okay, so people, time to, is it off? Yes. The plug, amazing, it's exactly the right dimension. We should have the power on. So, okay, we have the power on. That's a good sign. The next test is to connect it to a TV and try to search for a signal. Okay, so that's the setup. You see the antenna went into the TV. Let me have RF output like that, and nothing to do but to plug it in, power on. We got for sure signal turning off, you see, and then put it on. So I'm not sure, maybe this is very clear, all this, you see, power on, power off. So we got signal. Maybe it's necessary a cartridge. I don't have that, so that's the best I can do for now. Okay, so that's it for today. I don't know what to say. You see, I don't have a cartridge, I don't have a game, so probably the machine is working. I never ever used anything like this. So far I could see some raster, you know, some, how you call that, some signals on my TV screen. Probably it's working. I'm gonna give it back to my friend and I'll wait for his feedback. Okay. In the meantime, like usually, please subscribe to my channel. Push the like button down there, of course. It's so simple for you, and it, you know, it matters a lot for my channel, for our channel, in fact, because you see, everything I'm doing for us. I like to share things, and I like to learn new things from you guys, you know, the rest of the YouTube community, let's call it. And of course, thanks to my sponsors, Radu G and Vlad from Ampia Records. Check also. In the meantime, don't forget, have fun. Bye.